help anyone. You're just a muscle, remember? It's all you and your imp kind are good for. You said it yourself. I'm in his mind, Jake. I see everything. Every thought, every opinion, and boy, does he have some nasty shit to say about you. Your level of insecurity is intoxicating. I can't wait to see how you taste when you drive away the one person left to put up with your bullshit. He thinks you're too sweet to do anything but kill. You never should have done that. You're nothing but a backwards stupid inbred low-born fucking dick.
Yadan.
Excuse me? Nobody cares about you and what you want. They're too caught up in their misery to even remember you exist.
Now look over here, Combo. You may think you know everything, but you miss two. One, your words don't mean shit to me. And two, Blitz can handle this.
Fuck.
So buckle up, Buttercup.
Good work, Mills. Oh, fuck, it's me!
Oh shit, sorry. Go to heaven, Bethany.
You little assholes are done for. You're dead, Bethany.
Well, that's where you're wrong. I ain't Bethany Ghostfucker. Tonight, I'm Blitz David Dicker! And that's how you get ghost butt!